Prince William and Kate Middleton are engaged. The royal family announced the engagement in an official written statement this morning and on Twitter. According to the official statement from the Prince of Wales, Prince William popped the question to Middleton during a private holiday in Kenya last month. The statement says that the wedding will take place in the spring or summer of 2011 in London. According to TMZ, the buzz in England is that the wedding will be at least as big as Princess Diana's. Fresh off her performance of Country Strong on last week's CMA Awards, Gwyneth Paltrow will sing again tonight, this time on Glee. Paltrow will perform songs by Rihanna and Cee-Lo, among others. CBS has reportedly canceled Medium Star Patricia Arquette confirmed the news to Entertainment Weekly that this season will be Medium's last. Britney Spears' parents are back together 8 years after splitting up. Us Magazine quotes a source close to the couple as saying Lynne and Jamie Spears got back together last summer. This has been Celebs in 60 Seconds.